And so you can tell we're on the 54th floor. Walking inside, big mirror and a sitting room. You can see they delivered our luggage, little sitting area, table. That's nice. I can get some work done here. So good start so far. And they did give us a personal note. It was our pleasure to welcome you to the Lebua Hotel, Lebua. On behalf of the team, wish you a pleasant stay. And then some macaroons and things. Now let's peek in here. Kitchenette, glassware, microwave and fridge. That is stocked with sodas and things. That's nice. Slide this open. Amy, what are you doing in here?
Make myself comfortable.
You already, as soon as you get into a hotel room, you're just like, I'm taking off my clothes.
It's nice. You got tub. You got the cool little like shower yourself
nice.
off thing. Toilet. Shower. All of the soaps and lotion and everything is Balmain, so that's pretty classy. Very exciting.
Couple waters. That's a big shower. That's a good sized glass shower.
We could invite friends.
We're gonna have to make friends. Then the
Telephone.
yeah, there's a telephone in there. And of course the room itself. Pretty nice, right? It looks like a king size bed plus. A little Shea lounge. Oh, computer desk, TV, and here's the big selling point. The view of Thailand. This is the hotel that they showed in the Hangover 2 when they caught Mr. Chow. We have the River View room. It's fun, I'm from Riverview. And we are on the 54th floor. How cool is that, right? All right. Now with this, we get included breakfast, included lunch, included tea time, and all the drinks we can handle. Trying to shut the door, pulling the wrong way. There we go. And all the drinks we can handle in the lounge.
The fridge is stocked too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Green tea, lemon tea.
Mr. T.
Yeah. Coke,
All right.
Sprite, Nespresso.
As usual. And this is the breakfast that is included with our room. Is that right? So my understanding is that this is a very nice restaurant. It's included breakfast and lunch. And then if you go upstairs to the 52nd floor, closer to our room, there's like a lounge that has drinks included and appetizers. We'll cover that in another video. But this is pretty fun. What do you think of it so far?
I love it. It's beautiful.
It really is beautiful. The pool is great. It's a great view. You can sit inside or out, we thought, before it gets too hot. Because even though it is February, it gets to 95 degrees. So we figured it's 6 a.m. Let's eat outside before it gets too hot for that. And then I guess at some point in the day, you can get in the pool, right?
It opens at 6.
Pool opens at 6. So I grabbed some foods, not knowing how to do it. Pancake with raspberry jam, and then pancake. Lemon donut, pistachio donut makes sense. These made less sense. Rice, I'll show you on the buffet. Rice condiment and pork balls. Don't know why. Steamed rice circle thing. And this is chicken balls. Some mango sauce. I don't know how you're supposed to put these together. I'm gonna show you how the buffet is once Amy gets back. She also got the steamed thing, got some of the soup. This is a steamed bun. Oh, I got a couple steamed buns. They're hidden in here. Steamed bun. This guy, the soup. And there's little shots of juice. Don't exactly know how to do any of this. All right, Amy's coming back. Apparently it's buffet, so I'm gonna show you what the buffet looks like next. So there's a little confusion on my side. There's a Mung Dal Ka Chila with coconut sauce, mint, or spicy tomato. Don't understand it. And there's these guys. And each one has a different surprise. These are the steamed buns we got earlier. And then this is condiments for rice. And rice with chicken balls. Or pork balls. Pork balls. Get your fish ball soup. I think that's an omelet station. I'm not sure. Haven't been there yet. And then a bunch of breads. So you can see they're putting out the fresh breads. So maybe Amy will do a better job describing what she got.
Okay, so I started off with this pistachio glazed donut.
I got similar.
We've got some watermelon juice.
Is that just fresh squeezed watermelon?
It's so good.
Wow.
So amazing. This is just a little green smoothie. I think they said it's apple, mint, and broccoli.
Okay.
And then I got some Indian food for breakfast. We've got like a vegetable stew with lentils, a little lentil pancake with cottage cheese, a veggie dumpling, and a lot of different like mint chutney and mango sauce and coconut sauce.
All right, can't wait to try it. So what did you think of breakfast?
I absolutely loved it, hands down. We've been to a lot of resorts, done a lot of traveling, been to a lot of different hotels, and this is my favorite breakfast that we've had anywhere in the world.
Favorite so far?
Yes.
All right. All right, folks, there you go. I had a little bit harder time getting adjusted to the Indian cuisine, but Amy loves that kind of stuff. So check it out. Lebua State Tower. We just learned that this is a chain of hotels, but this one's in Bangkok, Thailand. It has a 2-star Michelin restaurant included. We didn't know that was a thing, so we're gonna learn more. Stick around and watch all of our videos. I think you're gonna dig it. I'm gonna take 2 here, and you're gonna tell us what you really feel about breakfast.
I was saying that this place just gets me.
Yeah.
I had lentils 6 different ways.
Yeah.
It was so spicy that it gave me a runny nose. And then now I just have a plate of cheese and papaya. Plus I had a shot of broccoli juice and a glass of wine.
And a Diet Coke.
And a Diet Coke. This place just gets me. And maybe that's not what everyone wants for breakfast, but I don't know, there's like 10 billion people here. They cannot be wrong.
Right. And just so people understand what happened is we finished breakfast downstairs and then we decided to come upstairs to the 52nd floor where they have like a more, this is only for people with suites, I guess. We got a suite, something like that. But it's kind of a smaller breakfast and they've got made to order, serve you at a table type stuff. It's still pretty quiet up here because it's like 6 a.m. But we enjoyed the buffet style, which I didn't realize was buffet at first. And now I'm gonna get some bacon. I'm gonna get, what's the other thing? Oh, some hash browns. So we're gonna see if that's the same. But yeah, this is really cool, fun stuff. This couple next to us is just adorable. Like, he is a strapping man. And the body on the lady?
Good looking.
Not bad. Just kidding. They gave me a little tomato to be healthy. Yeah, and I don't do sweets for breakfast, so even though I got all those sweets for breakfast, I did not eat them. So anyway, we're gonna try this. Crisp bacon, hash browns, and a tomato. So are you ready to go?
No, they have wine and papayas here. I never want to leave.
There you go, folks. That's breakfast at Lebua Tower in Bangkok. And where are we going first today? Maybe go get a massage or something?
I think maybe get a massage, maybe go to Chinatown. I think it's about a mile away from here, so we might walk and explore and see Chinatown. We've got the river right there, might take a boat tour. I don't know.
Yeah. It's the Chinese Lunar New Year, so we're gonna have to wear red and have a little fun. All right, make sure you click subscribe. For those of you who are interested, here's the weights at the gym. They do have something for bench, which a lot of hotel gyms don't have. So I'm very excited about that. You can do squats, you can do a lot with a machine like that, obviously. 2 treadmills, elliptical, a bike. Cyvex International. Maybe another sit-down bike over there. A couple spots to work out. This is a great hotel gym overall. Very happy with it. And just to give you an idea, I didn't go in it, but this is the pool. It's pretty large. really large. It's gigantic. And you can see that's where we ate breakfast many mornings with the included buffet. It's a nice pool, jetted. Amy, what's the temperature on that? Okay. It's not heated, but it is Thailand. You can see there's some cabanas and things that you can hang out at as well. Looks like it goes to 1.55 meters. And is that a separated, like, smaller pool?
Yeah, let's see if
It's a place to sit. Yeah, see if that's a little warmer. And just a nice pool overall. Amy's gonna give us the tour. So maybe the sitting area.
same temperature as the other one. Good.
Makes sense. But yeah, pretty big pool, pretty nice. And the gym does overlook it. So if you're in the gym, at least you're not staring at a wall the whole time. For those of you who are interested, here's the weights at the gym. They do have something for bench, which a lot of hotel gyms don't have. So I'm very excited about that. You can do squats, you can do a lot with a machine like that, obviously. 2 treadmills, elliptical, a bike. Cybex International. Maybe another sit-down bike over there. Couple spots to work out. This is a great hotel gym overall. Very happy with it.